not loading stuck on loading screen on PC. But 1. Restart your PC, close Limbus Company completely, exit Steam from the system tray, restart your computer, launch Steam and start the game again. Narga 2. Verify game files, open Steam, go to Library, right-click Limbus Company, select Properties, open installed files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files, wait for the verification to complete. 3. Check your internet connection. Restart your router modem, switch to a wired connection if possible, disable VPN services temporarily, launch the game again, check if the loading screen progresses. Nashar 4, run the game as administrator. Navigate to the game installation folder, right-click limbuscompany.exe, select Run as Administrator, allow any permission prompts, test the game. 5. Disable Steam Overlay. Open Steam, right-click Limbus Company, select Properties, disable Steam Overlay, restart the game. 6. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA app, AMD software, or Intel graphics software. Install the latest graphics driver. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. 7. Clear temporary files. Press Windows R, type %, delete all temporary files, empty the recycle bin, restart the PC. 8. Allow the game through Firewall. Open Windows Security, select Firewall and Network Protection, click Allow an app through Firewall, add Limbus Company and Steam, save the changes, relaunch the game. Relaunch 9. Close background applications. Open Task Manager. End unnecessary applications such as Discord, MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner, RGB software. Free up system resources. Launch the game again. 10. Reinstall Limbus Company. Uninstall the game through Steam. Delete any remaining game files. Restart your computer. Download and install the latest version. Launch the game. Bonus fix. Synchronize your system date and time. Open Settings, Time and Language, enable Set Time automatically. Click Sync Now. Incorrect system time can sometimes cause loading and connection issues. These solutions can fix most Limbus companies stuck on loading screen. Infinite loading and not loading issues on Windows 11 and Windows 10 PCs.